Welcome to my vlog. Going to school, first day of school after summer break. Here's the outfit. Evil shirt from New York. It's a really cool shirt. Yeah. Transition. Today we're at school with my boyfriend. Who also LARPs. LARPing Christianity, what the fuck? Before we go into class, how do you feel about going to school?
Yeah.
Yes, me too. Goodbye. Goodbye, people. Say bye to the people.
Goodbye.
Help! That guy is raping me. Please help!
What did you do this summer?
Nothing. Niin Kalle, kamera.
Alright. How long did you sleep?
Hello TikTok mom.
Hello TikTok. What is happening today? Why do you have your iPad?
Ne kattos mun hakuhistorian.
What?
Ja opettaja antaa mulle pikkusen opetuksen.
What? Hey yo!
Onko sulla todella? Onko sulla varmaan todella? Ai tossa fine vielä. Missä sähkötettiin se ympäri?
Yeah, that works. Shut the fuck up. What happened to your charger? Why is it like cut?
Why is it emo? Why is your charger emo?
Welcome to the 2000s. Boy, this is so Y2K. Lol.
This is so
Lol. This is so EBK. How was your first hour of school? Hey, shut the fuck up! Hei! Millainen? Tuu. Boy! Oi, what's up? What's up, Luca?
Moi Kalle.
What's up? How are you? Oh yeah, boy. Today we're here with my friend Luca.
Moi guys, mä oon Luca.
Kala ja et se leijuu siellä vedessä, kun se on ihan pilves.
So, record me. So, essentially, physically, actually, I didn't want to come.
Sexually.
Yes, EBK!
LOL! Vilmor! Evil!
I'm fucking evil! Fuck you!
What the fuck? Where did you get Evil shirt?
From New York City.
New York City? When were you at New York City? More like New York Diddy, because that's...
LOL, EBK!
What's up, people?
I'm fart. If you give this video a looky, hello bro, hello. What's up peoples? Sano moi.
Moi, mä oon Luca.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Goodbye. Se on jo kuvaava.
-1, -2. Eiku, ota toi.
I'm evil.
Me pitää tehdä tähän se pentagrammi.
Yep, this is going into my school vlog. What's up, people? Are you recording me?
Yes?
Okay. Welcome, people, to quick. That's it.
Do I stop now?
Okay, but guys, today, as you can see, it's Puk. Very nice place. Today, I eat, and that's it. I'll see you in the next hour. When it happens, goodbye. Stop. I love tung sahur. You're gonna get turned into gore. No! Boys! What's up, people? No niin, nyt se kuvaa. Okay.
I'm the happy
Today we're in Buk. What is happening? It's touching me. We're in Buk. Last hour didn't happen anything very nice. Okay. Goodbye people.
Miksi sä katsotte meitä tuotiin? Vittu, me tehdään YouTubeen.
Come here.
This one's recording.
Voi vittu pojat!
Come here.
Voi vittu,
Okay,
vittu,
stop.
vittu.
Today we're in Buk.
Hei! Ollu! Vittu, kuka vittu he tarjoaa?
Okay, so something has happened called taking pictures.
Cut!
Rotation of the pictures will come over here. It was so fun. Wow, so fun.
Cut!
YouTube. Ja nopea tällainen video. Today we're about to go into the L
Trenches.
We're about to leave school.
Now we're gonna go to the trenches.
Istanbul kebab after school. It will be very fun, people.
We're gonna go into the trenches.
Yeah, exactly.
Uno trenches.
It's very cool. We're playing Uno with the gang,
You know ball.
with the squad.
Very cool. Seesaw.
Yes.
Seesaw.
Yes. Goodbye.
Now I'm recording.
Okay. So school has ended. It is 13. Very nice. And now we're walking to El Istanbul. But he's gonna go to S-Market. This is me documenting my first day of school, you know, because I never do any of these vlogs, and if I die tomorrow, I wanna be remembered for something at least.
Yes.
So yeah. Okay. Transition. Okay,
Hei, haluatko sä Vilho tulla meille
I
syömään?
have eaten some pizza and that's okay.
Hei, hei nyt mä tiedän.
I don't really feel so good.
Minä?
But it's okay. Hashtag primal, hashtag
Sonja, Kalle
satanic,
ja
hashtag
Onni.
Hillary. Okay, so we just eaten pizza. It was really great. Now show the area around. Okay, so now I'm going to S-Market or maybe Coastwide Market to get or whatever the fuck it's called. Again, I don't remember. I have memory problems. Lord. Anyways, yeah, we're just gonna go to the store. After that, we will go to Levenla, but the cameraman, aka Artu, is not gonna come because he's hashtag swag. He's too neat for us, so it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah,
I
I'm
don't
too
really care.
esoteric.
Yeah, but I'll see this guy at school tomorrow, so it's okay. Show the area around. This is very cool. Wow, you should take a picture of me. Like, wow, nature.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop through.
Hey, today, coconut, cocoa, no sugar. Very good, I love this. It's very great. Unlike the sludge you're drinking, pal. Oh, sludge demon is coming. Okay, but it's okay. Just do what you want. It's your life. You only live once. Sorry. Okay, but this is acquired. Turns out I'm not going to the people's houses because you know, punks. Just kidding. But like, yeah, because Onni isn't going. Onni is my friend. Onni isn't going, so like, you know. Hello. What's up?
Ei.
Älä kuvaa mua.
Okei.